Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, January 20th, 2009. Nedgroup Investments Premium Portfolio Fund of Hedge Funds is closing with an orderly distribution of assets to the remaining investors. According to Hedge Funds Review, subscriptions and redemptions of shares in the fund were suspended last month. The fund, up 16% in 2008, will not be replaced by another fund of hedge fund. Staying with hedge funds news, Aladdin Capital Holdings has cut 15 jobs in the company's structured bond business. According to Reuters, the move signals Aladdin Capital's shift from Connecticut-based alternative asset manager to a boutique investment bank under the new CIO. Vice Chairman and CIO Neil Nellinger has brought cuts to the firm's collateralized debt and loan obligation desk, reducing global headcount to around 75 staffers. The move is aimed at a restructuring plan to build the firm's advisory and investment banking businesses. And in more hedge fund news, Sparks Group Company, Asia's biggest hedge fund manager, dropped to a record low in Tokyo trading on concern that declining stock prices will undermine its asset management business. According to Bloomberg, the stock rebounded to close higher. Sparks was ranked by Alpha Magazine as Asia's largest hedge fund manager at the end of March. And in other hedge fund news, Arminio Fraga, who runs the investment firm Gavia Investments, is boosting holdings of private equity and thinly traded shares to deal with losses at his flagship fund. According to Bloomberg, his hedge fund Gavia Brazil FI Multimercado was over 80% behind on its peers last year. That rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our asset management channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.